Hello, hi guys! Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. This is Chin from Masagara Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong gabing to, tingnan natin ano gusto sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is Seventh Archangel's urgent message for the sign of Scorpio. So, Scorpio, welcome to my channel. So, let's see ha, guys. Ibabalik natin ang urgent message for Seventh Archangel. So, tingnan natin at alamin natin kung anong pinakamensahe sa atin ng pitong arkanghel, no? Kung ano ang magiging advices sa natin, magiging advices niya for Scorpio, and of course, ang magiging message niya. And of course, this reading is a reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, kumapit kahit ka na dahil ito na ang mensahe sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. So let's see guys ha. So handa ka na ba? Handa ka na ba? Charis. Eme lang. So, ito na nga guys. Umpisahan na natin. Angel Spirit, Seventh Archangels, bigyan mo ka ng mensahe sa atin ng ating mga gabay para sa kapatid nating Scorpio. Ano ang message sa iyo ng ating Seventh Archangels? So, there's wow, the Four of Wands, celebrations. And of course, there's a Two of Pentacles. There's a balance. So, magiging balance ka raw dito, ha, guys. So, inuumpisahan ka pa lang dito ng pasabog na eksena. So, let's see. And of course, okay. There is a Death card, represent ang ending and a new beginning. Death card represent of Scorpio card for signs. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a transformations and of course, a revert. No? What is additional messages? Okay, there is the Magician, and of course, there's a Star card. No, kumbaga, ito na yung katuparan sa mga hinihiling mo. The Magician represent a manifestation. Kumbaga, God will provide, and of course, sinasabi sa dito na, parang tinatapos na ni God yung mga struggles and of course sa lahat ng mga problema pinagdaanan mo. Parang bigla ang pagbabago, ganon. And of course, there's a star card, there's a wish fulfillment. Kumbaga, unti-unti mo na natutupad ngayon lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Yung dating hiniling mo lang, ngayon aabot kamay mo na. So, what is additional messages? There's a Six of Pentacles. Alam nyo guys, ang Six of Pentacles for me is magtutuloy-tuloy about sa finances, no? Kumbaga, this is it na guys, no? Kumbaga, ito na ang umpisa ng panibagong chapter ng buhay mo. So, additional messages for the lovers celebration. There's a wedding, no? May kasala magaganap for the Scorpio sign for the lovers. So, ibig sabihin, meron talagang celebration. So, what is the Two of Pentacles? The Two of Pentacles represent a Five of Cups in reverse, no? And of course, sinasabi dito na wala ng pagsisisihan. There is a balance. Kumbaga natapos na yung mga nasayang, no? At there's a Death card. What is the Death card? Okay, there's a Devil card. Ooh, matatapos na raw yung Devil dito, team, no? Kumbaga, tinatapos na ni God yung the Devil energy dito. And of course, there's a Four of Cups, no? Re-evaluate, analyze, no? Kasi nalaman mo na no? Natuklasan mo na, no? Meron lang ditong hindi niya matanggap, no? Hindi niya matanggap na fresh ka. Charis! No? May mga inggitera talaga. What is the Star card? There's a judgment, no? There's a wake-up call or awakening for you. What is the Six of Pentacles? There's a Three of Pentacles. Collaboration, trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay. No, maaaring magsasucess ka dyan. Kumaga magtutuloy-tuloy daw ang pasok na magandang kapalaran sa'yo. What is the Four of Wands and the Lovers? So, there's Knight of Wands, low and steady. Kumbaga, there's a perseverance, pagtyaga-tyaga, no? Kumbaga, ito na sa pag-antay-antay mo, ito na yung taong para sa'yo. So, what is the Two of Pentacles and the Five of Cups in reverse? Okay, there's a Four of Swords. Listen to your intuition. And there's a rest, and of course, the Nine of Cups, no? Kailangan mo magpahinga. Kailangan mo mag-beauty rest. And of course, the Nine of Cups represent a fulfillment. Pasabog. The Death card and the Devil. Okay, may nasasense ako dito daw ha. May gumagawa rin sa'yo na hindi maganda. May bungo kasi. So it means, gumagamit siya ng, yun nga, ng bungo. And of course, there is a Six of Wands. There is a victory and success. Don't you worry, no? Kumbaga, hindi siya magtatagumpay. Kumbaga, dead man ka lang sa kanya. Request the King of Wands na you're a confident, beautiful with a heart, no? Kumbaga, alam mo sa sarili mo na hindi ka pababayaan ni God, no? Kumbaga, lahat ng mga anghel, sinasabi sa'yo dito na puproteksyonan ka at mananalo ka sa laban. What is the Magician and the Four of Cups? Meron dito gumagawa ng black magic kasi hindi niya matanggap, no? And of course, there's a Nine of Cups. There's an offer, no? There's an offer. What is the Star card and the Judgment? There is an Empress card. There's a revert, no? Panibagong eksena. At baka may bago kang silangan na panibagong negosyo. So, what is the Six of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles? There's a Three of Swords. May naiinggit sa'yo, no? May naiinggit sa'yo dito, katrabaho mo. Or it's either katrabaho or kapitbahay mo sa negosyo mo. So, what is additional messages for Four of Wands, the Lovers, and the Knight of Wands? Get more information to clarify this reading. Okay, there's a Hangman, a new perspective, delays, or something. Okay, thank you. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na baguhin din yung perspective or yung sistema, no? And of course, sinasabi dito, there's an Ace of Cups, there's a new romance, a new love life, and of course, may bagong pakilig. So, what is the Death card and the Devil card? And of course, the Six of Wands, and of course, the King of Wands, there's a Five of Pentacles, no? Kumbaga, ginagawang ka rin ito ng pampaalat, no? Pampaalat sa finances. Pero at the end of the time, hindi pa rin siya mananalo, no? Kumbaga, you have a confident, and of course, there's a Wheel of Fortune, and of course, the Chariot card, taking action, and there's a movement for the wheel. Ibig sabihin dito, umikot yung gulong ng palad. Oh my God, thank you for Angel Spirit, thank you for Seven Archangels. Sinasabi dito ng Archangel na, kumbaga, umikot na yung palad o umikot na yung gulong ng palad na yung ginawa mo sa ang ginawa sa iyo ay babalik sa kanya. No, kung may mabuti kang ginawa sa kanya, may mabuting balik sa iyo. Pero may ginawa kang masama sa kanya, ganun din ang masamang balik sa iyo. Pero yung mga taong gumawa sa iyo ng masama, babalik sa kanila yan ng triple, 10 beses ang balik sa kanila. Higit pa at kumbaga kasama pa, kaakibat pa dyan yung 10 ng bawat pamilya niya. Ganon. What is the Magician? And of course, the Four of Cups and of course, the Knight of Cups. There's a Emperor. Be mature enough, no? Kumbaga, napaka ng panahon ngayon. Kung pag may mga ganyang eksena, dead man na lang, no? Kumbaga, diba? Hindi ka bawasan yung pagpatol sa mga ganyan. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito na protection mo yung sarili mo, pangalagaan mo, mag-ano ka ng protection, mag-cleansing ka, tumuto ka sa negosyo, trabaho mo, ganun lang, no? Hindi mo kailangan, kasi kusa naman babalik sa kanila yan, kung ano man yung ginawa nila sa'yo. So, what is the Star card, the Judgment, and of course, the Empress card? There's an Hermit card. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a soul searching, no? Kumbaga, marami ka natutunan from your spirituality. So, what is the Six of Pentacles and the Three of Pentacles and the Three of Swords? Okay, there's a Seven of Cups, no? Kumbaga, maraming oportunidad o maraming eksena na darating sa iyo, maraming taong naiinggit sa iyo, maraming taong tinitingnan ka o hinahangaan ka, no? Kumbaga, kinain na lang yung iba dyan ng inggit, no? Kaya nagkaroon ng galit. And kasi sinasabi dito, there's a power of the deck, there's a temperance, there's a perfect timing, no? So, what is the overall? Overall, with the Page of Cups, listen to your intuition. And of course, competitors. And of course, sinasabi dito with the Six of Cups, there's, okay. Listen to your intuition. Yung taong gumagawa sa'yo, it's either hindi pa nakaka-move on sa past relationship, or, ito nga, kumbaga, itong taong gumagawa ng conflict sa'yo is yung ex mo or yung ex ng asawa mo or yung ex ng jowa mo. Ganon. Kumbaga, ito yung gumagawa sa'yo, no? With the Knight of Pentacles, secure. Ginagawan ka ng hindi maganda, pero siya tong, kumbaga, nakihirapan at nahihirapan, no? Wala siyang kaalam-alam na bumabalik sa kanya. Syunga. So what is additional messages? So what is the love oracle card? Let's see guys, shuffle muna tayo ng very last. What is the love oracle card in your spirit guide? There's a Cupid arrow, no? Kumbaga, have faith, love is coming, surprises. What is additional messages? And there's a wedding ring. Some of you talaga may kasalan, talaga may magaganap. So what is angel's number? So what is angel's number? There's an 18. I am kind-hearted. You are both open-minded and open-hearted, and your ambitions is to live this world better than you found it. Ensure that your goal are aligned with the collective needs and with the highest good of all. Diba? Napakabuti ng puso mo. At of course, napakabuti ng loob mo sa lahat ng bagay, no? Kumbaga, hindi lang para sa sarili mo, para din sa taong mga mahal mo sa buhay. So, let's see. What is additional energy? So, what is additional energy? There's a cornucopia. So, some of you kailangan mo ng prutas at mga masustansya pagkain and healer of the ages. No, pagagalingin ka ni God and of course on the 7 archangels in all aspects. And there's a yin-yang, no? Keep yourself balanced, no? Magiging, panatiliin sarili mo balance, no? So, what is additional messages? And there is discipline. Kailangan magkaroon ka ng disiplina sa sarili mo. Yung mga thoughts na iniisip mo, kailangan naka-align yan in a good way. And there's a freedom. Palayain yung kaisipan. Kumbaga, don't be paranoid in all the time. So, sinasabi sa dito, yung mga bagay na iniisip mo na, alam mong walang specific explanation, tidad man na. No, wag mo na siyang pagurin yung utak mo. So what is the energy? Energy ba to? What is the Monsology? So what is the Monsology? Let's see. What is the Monsology? What do you need to release? Ano ang kailangan mong alisin? No, yung gawa niya, kailangan mo proteksyonin yung sarili mo. No, basagin ang gawa ng kulam, gawa ng gayuma o anumang pampamalas o sumpa, and work through your fears. No, labanan mo ang takot at pangamba. Kasi Scorpio is our, kumbaga palaban yan, And of course, kumbaga kahit na sa huling hininga niyan, lalaban yan. Diba? What is Archangel Michael messages? And of course, sinasabi dito, it's time to leave the unhealthy situation. Kailangan mo nang pakawalan yung mga kapitbahay mo, mga toxic. Charis. Diba? May mga katrabaho, kapitbahay ka mga toxic. And of course, you created the situation and you have the power to change it. No? Kumbaga, kayang-kaya mong baguhin at kayang-kaya mong buuin at sirain kung ano man yung mga nasa paligid mo. No? Kaya kung ikaw yung naglagay sa sitwasyon mo, kayang-kaya mo rin makalagpas at makaalis dyan. So, what is the romance angels? So, romantic feelings. So, your feelings are real and worth exploring. So, some of you talagang, talaga nagkakaroon ka talaga ng love, romantic dito. It's either may love life ka or single ka. At the same time, let your friends help you. Hayaan mo yung mga kaibigan mong tulungan ka. So, no? May mga bagay or situation tayo na minsan hindi natin kaya, no, kailangan natin ng tulong ng iba. Yes, of course. As for the others, accept support from the others, no? Ask for and accept support from others. And soulmate, there's a soulmate connection daw dito for the chakra. And of course, there's a guest, no? Maraming kontrabida, charis, maraming bisita na darating. There's a renewal, no? Panibagong eksena. And there's a mysticism, maraming sekreto, maraming mga tao na susubukin ka, no? Susubukang, kumbaga, there's a revelation. So, what is additional messages? Okay, there is an option. Kailangan i-consider mo yung mga posibilidad pagdating sa mga bagay-bagay. At kailangan open ka sa mga possibilities nga. So what is additional messages? What is additional messages? There's a water emotions, no? Kumbaga, rejuvenate, and of course, sumabay ka sa agos ng eksena. And dancing, no? Sumabay ka nga, and there's a movement, paggalaw, no? At the same time, there's a fire opal, confident, no? Confident is key to success. Kailang confident ka na kaya mo lagpasan, no? Na hindi ka nila makakabog. So, what is additional messages for Jesus loving quotes? Okay. Sinasabi dito ni Jesus loving quotes, heal the sick of their ear and say unto them, the kingdom of God is coming into you. Ibig sabihin dito, pagagalingin ka daw ni God as anumang sugat o anumang sakit ng dulot na nakaraan. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na lahat ng mga bagay ng sakit ay pagagalingin ka niya in all aspects. Sinasabi lang sa'yo dito na maniwala ka at buksan ang isip at puso mo sa mga posibilidad, no? Kung may mga bagay na ipagkakaloob sa'yo ni God. Lalapit siya sa'yo kung magagagawa yan ng way or instrument si God para tulungan ka niya. So what is the messages of life? Openness. I know that when one door closes, another opens. Today, I trust the universe, I trust myself, and trust life. No matter what has gone before, I have faith that something better is on this way. My willingness to release the past prepares me to accept the many opportunities God opened before me. So, big sabihin dito, kailangang mag-i-open ka sa mga posibilidad. Lahat ng mga bagay, kumbaga, surrender mo kay God. No, kumbaga, bitawan mo yung mga bagay na hindi mo kontrolado. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, kung ano man ang nangyari sa mga bagay-bagay, magtiwala ka na ibibigay niya yan ayon sa kalooban niya. No, this is the 7th Archangel's messages. So, maraming salamat sa 7 Archangel sa panibagong eksena at panibagong mensahe at advices sa ating mga kapatid na Scorpio. Maraming salamat guys. This reading is a journey din lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys. And of course, comment down below kung anong birthday at full name nyo. And of course, yung location nyo, kung asan po kayo ngayon para ma-detect at mararamdaman po ng ating angel spirit kung asan kayo at makakagilap ang kanyang energy. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!